Unboxing this A-iPower inverter generator, fresh out the box. Oh boy, never used a generator before in my life. Find out today. So I had to take off the side panel so I could put the oil in right there. They got the little funnel. So I'm about to put some oil in it. It's 1040. Just put the oil in, I'm about to put the panel back on. And then we're gonna put the gas in. So I had to turn the gas cap to on. Turn this thing to the little start button. I got this part off, the low idle off. Then I'm gonna take the ripcord, hold the handle firmly like I said. Ooh, perfect. Shit is not supposed to be on. The idle, low, that's supposed to be on. Okay. And the back exercise up in here.
It's supposed to be off. You're doing it right.
Okay, okay.
It's that slowly though. You ripping it.
Okay, so it's on now, and I was cranking this thing for about 10 hours, not literally, but I was cranking it for a long time because this little multi-switch right here, it says start on that symbol, and it wouldn't crank. So then I was like, you know what, let me try something, and I put it to the start symbol right there, the little circle thing, and now it cranked right up the first time I yanked it. It's nighttime now. I started, it was daytime. So for anybody using it, you can start with the start choke, but then go to the run switch. Don't keep yanking that cord on the start choke. But it's running. I haven't added anything on it yet, but it said you got to let it run for a little bit and then add your devices, your cords and whatnot. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna let it run and then I'll be back. We got a little heater running. So far that's all. It said add one thing at a time. I got it plugged in through the window. So as you watch the video of me trying to crank on the portable generator, remember to start it on this start choke, which is the little green, if you're using this one, the little green icon. And then once you hear it purr a little bit or try to crank up, switch it to the little circles, the on, the start. I don't think it says start. The on icon. Just switch it there and then crank it, and it'll crank right up every time. It takes about a gallon of gas, I think, and it lasts a good while. It worked for me. Okay, so to recap, that generator is the A-iPower 1500 watt digital generator, portable generator. It works. It works well. It ran for about, we put the heater on it and it ran. It's just a little space heater. Just power went out. Put the space heater on it and ran for about 8 hours. So it kept the room we were in warm. Then we ended up putting cell phones on it to keep them charged. But you can get it at Walmart. I bought it online and shit. Came here complete for $2.99. I don't remember how much it was after taxes and whatnot. But for a nice little portable heater, I recommend it.